He went from getting bullied in school to building a $200 billion empire. He failed, went broke, and almost lost everything. But today, Elon Musk is changing the future. This is his insane success story in just 3 minutes. Born in South Africa, Elon was a coding prodigy but faced brutal bullying. At 17, he escaped to Canada with just $2,000. He slept on couches, worked minimum wage jobs, and taught himself rocket science from books. After selling PayPal for $180 million, he risked it all. Tesla nearly went bankrupt in 2008. SpaceX failed 3 launches in a row. Critics laughed, but Elon worked 100-hour weeks, slept in factories, and bet his last dollar until, boom, Tesla became the most valuable car company. SpaceX landed reusable rockets. In 2022, he bought Twitter for $44 billion just because he could. Elon's success boils down to 3 rules. Number 1, think 10x bigger. Mars is the backup plan for humanity. Number 2, embrace failure. If things aren't failing, you're not innovating. And number 3, work like hell. Nobody changed the world on 40-hour weeks. Now he's colonizing Mars, connecting brains to computers and building AI robots. Love him or hate him, Elon Musk proves one thing. The future belongs to those who dare to chase insane dreams. What's your crazy dream? Drop it in the comments. And if this inspired you, smash like and subscribe. More success stories coming soon.